Today, we're diving into the history of Lockheed Martin, a renowned aerospace and defense company. From its humble beginnings to its involvement in scandals, Lockheed Martin has a rich and complex history. So, let's take a trip back in time and uncover the story of this iconic company. It all started in 1912 when the Alco Hydro Aeroplane Company was established in San Francisco by the Loughead brothers, Alan and Malcolm. They later changed the name to the Loughead Aircraft Manufacturing Company and moved to Santa Barbara, California. It was during this time that a young Jack Northrop, who would become a prominent figure in aviation, started working for the company as a draftsman. The Loughead Aircraft Manufacturing Company designed and built the Model F-1 seaplane, which set the American non-stop record for seaplane flight in 1918. However, their subsequent aircraft, the Model S-1, faced tough competition in the post-World War I market, and the company closed its doors in 1921. In 1926, Alan Loughead, Jack Northrop, and Kenneth J. formed the Lockheed Aircraft Company in Hollywood. The company capitalized on their previous work and introduced the Vega Model, which gained significant popularity. By 1928, Lockheed had relocated to Burbank, California, and reported sales exceeding $1 million. But not all was smooth sailing for Lockheed. In 1929, the majority shareholder sold 87% of the company to Detroit Aircraft Corporation. Alan Loughead, concerned about the merger, resigned, believing it to be an unsound move. Unfortunately, the Great Depression hit, devastating the aircraft market and leading Detroit Aircraft into bankruptcy. In 1932, a group of investors, including the Gross brothers and Walter Varney, purchased Lockheed out of receivership for a mere $40,000. This marked the birth of the Lockheed Corporation, with Robert E. Gross as its chairman. The company found success with the Vega, famously used by aviators like Amelia Earhart. During the 1930s, Lockheed developed the Model 10 Electra, a small twin-engine transport that garnered considerable sales. Amelia Earhart and her navigator Fred Noonan flew the Electra on their ill-fated attempt to circumnavigate the world in 1937. Lockheed's follow-on designs, the Model 12 Electra Jr. and Model 14 Super Electra, further expanded their market. With the onset of World War II, Lockheed played a crucial role in aircraft production. The Lockheed Model 14 formed the basis for the Hudson bomber, supplied to both the British Royal Air Force and the United States military. Additionally, Lockheed delivered thousands of P-38 Lightning fighter planes, which became renowned for shooting down Japanese aircraft. The war years propelled Lockheed's reputation further, as they produced an astonishing 19,278 aircraft, including the iconic B-17 Flying Fortress and P-38 Lightning. The company's manufacturing facility in Burbank was camouflaged to deceive enemy reconnaissance, with a massive burlap tarp painted to resemble a peaceful neighborhood. After the war, Lockheed turned its attention to the civilian aviation market. In collaboration with Trans World Airlines, TWA, they developed the L-049 Constellation, a groundbreaking airliner that transformed civilian air travel. This success gave Lockheed an edge over other manufacturers in the post-war era. As the Cold War escalated, Lockheed continued its innovation with the Skunk Works division. Led by Clarence Kelly Johnson, the Skunk Works team developed some of the most advanced and secretive aircraft of the time. One of their notable creations was the U-2 spy plane, which played a vital role in gathering intelligence during the Cold War. In the 1960s, Lockheed embarked on an ambitious project that would cement its place in history, the development of the SR-71 Blackbird. This groundbreaking reconnaissance aircraft set multiple speed and altitude records and became an iconic symbol of aerospace engineering excellence. While Lockheed excelled in aerospace technology, it also faced its fair share of controversies. In the early 1970s, the company became embroiled in a scandal known as the Lockheed bribery scandal. It was revealed that Lockheed had paid millions of dollars in bribes to foreign government officials and individuals to secure contracts. The scandal had far-reaching implications, leading to investigations, legal proceedings, and changes in corporate governance practices. Despite the scandal, Lockheed continued to thrive in the aerospace and defense industry. In the 1980s, the company's F-16 Fighting Falcon fighter jet gained popularity and became a staple in the U.S. Air Force and numerous international air forces. It was a versatile and cost-effective aircraft that showcased Lockheed's engineering prowess. In the following decades, Lockheed Martin expanded its presence in the defense sector, acquiring other prominent companies such as Martin Marietta in 1995. This merger formed the foundation for Lockheed Martin Corporation, creating one of the largest defense contractors in the world. The 21st century brought new challenges and opportunities for Lockheed Martin. The company's advanced technology played a vital role in military operations, with products like the F-35 Lightning II becoming a centerpiece of modern fighter aircraft development. In addition to its military endeavors, Lockheed Martin has also been involved in space exploration. The company has contributed to numerous space missions, including building spacecraft for NASA, such as the Mars Odyssey and the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. Today, Lockheed Martin continues to be a key player in the aerospace and defense industry, pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation. With ongoing projects in areas like hypersonic flight, unmanned systems, and space exploration, the company remains at the forefront of cutting-edge research and development. That wraps up our journey through the history of Lockheed Martin. From its humble beginnings and pioneering aircraft designs to its involvement in major defense projects, Lockheed Martin's story is one of resilience, innovation, and sometimes controversy. Join us next time as we delve into the captivating stories behind more iconic companies.